Terra Guard black, as you can see, looks good. The Glide black. They sent me out the Quick Stand Pro, which is nice. They sent me out the Denda Glide Hybrid. They also sent me out the Terra Guard Clear, and they also sent me out the Terra Guard Green, Terra Guard Black. But they make nice quality, good looking cases. That is my opinion. Look at how that feels, and look at how that looks. It has a lot of grip to it. Black, it has a lot of grip. So now we're going to just pick up the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and we're gonna place it in like so. This might be my favorite case from them because I love how that feels, and it's very nice and grippy. As you can see here, you get a nice cutout for your lip. You don't have to worry about placing your phone flat down on the table. You'll be good to go. You get a nice, good, deep cutout for your camera, so you don't have to worry about placing your phone on the back, because your cameras will not be touching the table either. You get your clicky button for your power button, nice and clicky for your volume up and down button. On the bottom here, you get a nice cutout for your USB charging port, for your microphone, and a nice easy cutout for your S Pen. Overall, this is a nice, sturdy, heavy duty looking case. It says, let me see, it says VRS Design on this side here. As you can see, I don't know how well the camera's picking that up, but it says VRS Design. And the inside here on the back, you get VRS. Man, this case looks awesome. Now let's see if it has wireless charging, which I hope it does. And just like that, you can use wireless charging with your Terra Guard case for your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So this case, man, this looks nice. I love all the detail in this case. Look at that nice cutout for your camera. This to me looks amazing, and it feels amazing. So this might be the one I'm rocking the rest of the day. So now we're going to do the exact same thing, but we're going to put on the green one. So it's the Terra Guard, but it's just, hey, it's good to have it. It's good to have it. But this green actually does look nice. But like I said, this is the exact same case, just in green. Hopefully they can come out with some more colors, not just green and black. Maybe they can come out with a clear, all clear looking one. But man, look at that green. That green really looks nice, and that black VRS logo in the inside looks really nice. You get your nice deep cutouts for your camera. You get your nice cutout for your power button. It's nice and clicky. Volume up and down button. Look at all that grip right there, so you don't have to worry about this phone sliding out of your hand at all. You get that nice deep lip around the edge. Get all your cutouts on the bottom here. Microphone cutout at the top. Nothing on this side. Man, this is a nice looking case. Look at that. It looks like they have screws in here, but they're not real screws. But yes, VRS, you did a great job when you designed this case. It feels good. The hand, place it on your wireless charging station. Just like that, you do get wireless charging. So this has been the Terra Guard green and the Terra Guard black. So now we're going to get into the next cases. We're going to do the Glide Pro black logo. Will not get access to wireless charging, I don't think, because of the big back here. But man, this feels good. This is where you can hold your credit cards if you don't want to have a wallet, and it slides. Man, that sliding mechanism is so nice. As you can see, this is what the case, this is the glide. So that's why it's called the glide, because it's just gliding. Man, that looks nice. Look at the nice detail you get on this case. So now you get the same protection on the side as you did on the Terra Guard. The same grip protection. So now we're going to place the device in like so. Man, this case has a nice snug fit, but you get all that lip. Look at that lip. This, I think this has a little bit more lip than the Terra Guard, but it does feel a little bulky in the back because this houses some credit cards. But overall, this is a nice feeling case on this device. So you get your power button, it's nice and clicky. Volume up and down button is nice and clicky. There's the grip protection. Down here you get easy access to your USB charging port, to your microphone, to your speaker, to your S Pen. This side you get nothing but some ridges and a lanyard loop if you're into that. On the back here it says VRS Design. At the top here you get a nice deep cutout for that camera. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, you're good to go. And if you place your phone flat down on the face of the screen, you're good to go, because it has this nice deep lip around the edge. So we're still going to put it on the wireless charging pad, but I doubt it's going to work. Right, with this case you cannot have wireless charging because of the simple fact that it has the gliding open card slot. But this is nice. I feel like VRS Design does a good job when they make their cases. These are well thought out cases. They're not just a case thrown together. These are well thought out and they feel good also. So now we're going to move on to the next case. But man, this case looks nice also. The Terra Guard, this is the clear, Terra Guard crystal clear. Galaxy S22 Ultra, as you can see here. Nice, good protection on the back. Look at all that nice detail in the little ridges. You can see that, man, these are nice, well thought out cases. Kickstand, you gotta love it. And you also get a slot for some cards, I believe, which is nice. There's those nice grip protection once again. So now we're going to place our S22 Ultra in like so. This has a nice fit to it also. I really like how the look and feel of this case also. I'm going to have a hard time figuring out what case I want to rock for the rest of the day, because so far all of these cases are winning me over. So on this side you get your nice clicky button for your power button. It's clicky for your volume up and down button. So there is that grip protection. Feels good. You don't have to worry about your phone sliding out of your hand. At the bottom, nice easy cutouts for everything at the bottom. You get lip protection, good lip protection. So if you place your phone flat down on the face, you should be good to go. On the back here, you get a nice deep cutout for your camera. So if you place your phone flat on the back, you should be good to go also. You get a kickstand, which is nice. So if you're watching YouTube or whatever, you'll be able to do it hands-free. And you also get access to putting cards in here. I believe that's what it is. I'm not quite sure, but I believe this is for sliding a card into the back. If it's not, let me know. But overall, this is another nice looking feeling case. Now we're going to see if it has wireless charging capability. And yes, it has wireless charging capability, so that's good to know. So this has been the Quick Stand Pro in black. Now your credit cards, and this also doubles with a kickstand on the back. So this really looks real nice. This really looks good to me. Look at that. This looks amazing. So now we're going to place our S22 Ultra in like so. Man, I am loving their build on their cases. So this is what this looks like. It doesn't protrude too much in the back, but you do get your clicky button for your power button. As you can see, get your volume up and down button. They're nice and clicky. You get those grip protection, and I like that because every case that I pulled out has this exact same grip protection on both sides. Down here, this one is a little more bulkier when it comes down to the bottom, but it still looks good, and you still get pretty much good access to everything at the bottom, which is good to know. You get that lanyard if you're into that. There's that nice grip protection once again. On the back here, you get a nice cutout for your camera. Look how deep the camera's sitting off in there. On this one, you get little screws again. It looks like they're screws, but they're not. Overall, this is a nice looking and feeling case. You get a kickstand, which makes this even better, so you can watch YouTube hands-free or do whatever you do. And you also get easy access. So if you want to put your credit cards in the back, you can do that. So pretty much just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.